Gotta love it. Hey y'all, welcome back to my channel. I know it's been a little minute since I released my second video, and there is definitely a reason for that. I wanted to wait until I reached at least 100 subscribers on my channel, and I have done that in excess, like 100 plus. I can't remember the exact number right now, but I definitely want to thank you guys so much. You know, I know it's baby steps, but you know, you got to reach that first 100 to get to 100,000. Okay. So thank you guys for everyone who has subscribed. If you're not already subscribed, please do so right now. Turn those post notifications on. And without further ado, we can get into this second video. In this video, I will be reviewing these products from Bebe Michelle Naturals. Bebe Michelle is a Black-owned hair care company. She is also a natural hairstylist down here in the Miami-Fort Lauderdale area. So if you're ever looking for someone to care for your natural hair, definitely hit her up and book an appointment. Her Instagram name is @IamBebeMichelle. She's absolutely amazing. I've actually let her do my hair before, so I can definitely speak from experience. I will be showing you guys step by step exactly how I use each product to achieve this amazing definition in my hair. Y'all see that? And it's actually time for a trim for me. Like, I have a few little straggly ends, so baby, I'm coming to see you, girl. But without further ado, let's get right into these products because I know that's what y'all want to see. Let's go. Gotta love it. First, we'll go in with the moisturizing shampoo, and what I love about this is it is actually what it says it is. It's very moisturizing, very hydrating. It does not strip your hair at all. It has a great lather, as you can see, and I love that afterwards my hair and my scalp definitely felt clean, but still moisturized and hydrated. Then of course we'll go right in with the moisturizing conditioner right after to go ahead and detangle our hair. This conditioner, I noticed, did have a really great slip. It kind of just glided right through my hair. As you can see, finger detangling was pretty easy. And then I go in with a wide tooth comb and then a detangling brush and go ahead and detangle my hair. So the next step would be the deep treatment mask, and what I love about this mask is you can see it's very thick, but it's very rich in texture. It feels extremely luxurious on your hair. It leaves your hair very moisturized, and a little bit goes a long way, so you really do not need a lot. So I know this product is going to last me a very long time. I am obsessed with this deep treatment. Okay guys, so we are out of the shower. I've washed my deep conditioner out and have started the styling process. So I am going to show you guys how I layer the products for styling. So the first thing that I use is going to be the leave-in moisture milk. And for those of you who want like the step-by-step routine of like the wash and go, I would definitely recommend my first video, which is my full wash and go routine. I literally give you step-by-step. Get this saturated all over. The scent of this line smells amazing. It's very light and refreshing, like almost like flowers. I mean, the scent is jasmine and mimosa, so it's definitely giving those vibes. Very light. If you're someone who doesn't like really heavy scents, like all of those like cakey smells, this would be a very good line for you because, like I said, it's very airy and light and refreshing to smell.
Gotta love it.
I honestly need a trim. Short story time, I got a silk press, and then I went and got a ponytail, and then I got a braided ponytail, and I put a lot of heat on my hair within a month time span, and so my ends are paying for it and definitely need a trim. But the great thing about it, Bebe is a natural hairstylist, so I'm definitely gonna go to her, let her trim me up, shape my hair up really nice, and get some of these dead ends off and bring my curls back to life. So. Okay guys, so these are the finished results on wet hair. Come a little closer so you can see the definition is there. I mean, like, these products, they kind of speak for themselves. They're amazing products. Not only do they smell good, the quality of the products is amazing. They're very luxurious feeling, very rich in texture. The ingredients in the products are amazing, you know, like literally top-notch ingredients for natural hair products. And it's Black owned. Hello, Black owned. Yes, get into it. So I will have a discount code that I will leave in the box below, in the description box, and you guys can get some money off on these products by using my code. So yeah, I will show you guys the dry results tomorrow. I'm gonna go sit under a hooded dryer and then stretch my hair using the banding method and then let it out tomorrow. So I will be back, stay tuned. So this is the final product of the wash and go. This is second day hair, so this is after I completely diffused my hair, let it fully dry, and then did the banding method on my hair, which I will be releasing a video exactly how I do the banding method to stretch my hair. So as you can see, like, the definition is crazy. So if I had to choose my top two products out of the whole collection that she sent me, I would definitely have to go with these two, which is the Leave-In Moisture Mist and the Style and Define Gel. So I'm someone who's very big on definition of my curls, so of course I choose the two products that really define my hair. But I would get the full collection if I were you. The whole product line is amazing, guys. Like, everything is super, super, super rich in moisture, which is a major key. We all know that. That's a major key. So if you have to limit yourself and you can't get the whole collection at once, I definitely can understand that. These are my two favorite, but I would definitely recommend getting the whole line because, of course, all the products go together. They all smell the same. I hope you guys loved this video. I hope it was very informative. Of course, do not forget to like, comment, and subscribe. If you have any additional questions about any of the information in this video or about the products or the method that I use, please feel free to leave them in the comment box below. Don't forget to turn on those post notifications so you don't miss any more of my videos. Like I said, I will be keeping the content coming consistently from here on out. I'm so excited. Thank you guys again for watching this video, and I will see you guys next time. Bye.